Welcome as we discuss performance management and human resource information systems. In this lesson, we'll explore how HRIS supports the performance management cycle, connects to employee motivation, and helps organizations make more informed decisions about talent. Performance management is an ongoing process that ensures employees' work aligns with organizational goals. It involves setting expectations, providing feedback, evaluating performance, and developing talent. HRIS plays a central role in this process by giving managers and employees the tools to set goals, track progress, and evaluate outcomes consistently. The performance management cycle has 4 key stages: planning, feedback, review, and development. At each stage, HRIS provides essential support. In planning, HRIS tools allow managers to set goals and align them with organizational priorities. During the feedback stage, systems capture real-time coaching and 360-degree feedback. In the review stage, HRIS organizes appraisal forms, reminders, and ratings. Finally, in the development stage, HRIS links results to learning programs, career paths, or compensation decisions. This ensures that data and decisions flow seamlessly throughout the cycle. Work is more than a paycheck. For many people, it shapes their identity and builds self-esteem. The way performance is managed can either reinforce an employee's sense of value or undermine it. HRIS tools can support this by ensuring fair, transparent, and consistent evaluation processes that strengthen employee competence and trust. Motivation explains why people engage with their work and how much effort they invest. Talent and performance management programs, such as recognition systems, development opportunities, or rewards, play a major role in influencing motivation. HRIS platforms track and connect these programs to performance outcomes, showing how engagement and achievement are linked. To understand motivation, let's connect to theory. For example, Herzberg's 2-factor theory tells us that recognition and meaningful work motivate employees, while poor policies or lack of support create dissatisfaction. Expectancy theory explains that people put in effort when they believe it will lead to good performance and valuable rewards. HRIS helps organizations implement these theories by making recognition visible, linking goals to rewards, and creating fair processes. While HRIS improves consistency, challenges remain. Rater bias, inconsistent feedback, or employee perceptions of unfairness can still occur. Privacy is another concern, as performance data must be secured. HR professionals must design performance systems thoughtfully and use HRIS not only for efficiency, but also for fairness and transparency. Consider a company using Workday or SuccessFactors. Employees set their goals in the system. Managers provide feedback through dashboards. At review time, the HRIS aggregates ratings and generates performance reports. The system then links results to pay or development opportunities. This integration helps employees see a direct connection between their work and their growth. Let's summarize. The performance management cycle, planning, feedback, review, and development, is supported at every stage by HRIS tools. Work plays a key role in identity and self-esteem, and motivation theories help us understand why performance management programs matter. HRIS enhances fairness, provides data for decisions, and links performance to development and rewards. By combining people, processes, and technology, organizations can create stronger engagement and better outcomes.